from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair fell 2.5% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Moving on to world financial news.
A broadening rally in US stocks is offering an encouraging signal to investors worried about concentration in technology shares as markets await key jobs data and the Federal Reserve's expected rate cuts in September. The Canadian dollar held on to much of its monthly gain against its US counterpart on Friday, as investors expect the global economy would avoid recession, and Canadian GDP data did little to alter expectations for Bank of Canada interest rate cuts. Oil prices retreated on Friday as investors weighed expectations of a rise in OPEC Plus supply starting in October, alongside dwindling hopes of a hefty US interest rate cut next month, following data showing strong consumer spending.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Italy's gross domestic product will be released at 8 GMT, the Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT, the Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 5 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, Japan's monetary base at 23:50 GMT, the UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.